Leather was one of the first manufactured materials, and leather making one of the oldest professions of the world. The complexity of leather manufacturing has improved over the last 3,000 years and is today a complete industry in itself that calls for formal education and hands-on training. Today, leather is an essential way of life. In this film, we would learn how leather as a raw material is processed into finished goods before it is finally tailored into different use. Let's give you a tour of our manufacturing techniques. You will be happy to know that all our manufacturing units are socially audited and BSCI certified. This is where the raw hide is lined in a vat of chemicals after the hair and debris has been cleaned from the skin. Hides are treated with enzymes which smoothen the grain and help to make the leather soft and flexible. Shaving. This is the procedure where the hides are trimmed to get the desired thickness of the leather. Hides are often treated several times during the process of tanning. Which type of tanning procedure is used depends largely on the hide itself and the resulting product intended. Before the tanned leather is finished, it is first re-tanned, dyed and fat liquored to make the tough old hide into a soft and supple material. Next, the leather is hanged to dry under shade and then staked to open up the fibers of the leather to make it soft for further operations. Next, the unwanted portions are trimmed out from the leather. In this case, vibration staking machines are used with Melissa for staking and suppling leather. Then color sprayed. Furthermore, a top coat of chemicals and colors are applied on the leather to achieve the desired color and finish. This is done both by machine and by hand spraying. Once this is achieved, the sprayed leather undergoes plating and polishing to smoothen out rough surfaces and bring out the sheen by penetrating the top oil or wax inside the leather from the top surface. While raw hides are processed in our processing units, new sample leathers are brought in and checked, and novel designs and styles are debated in our main office. Let us take a look of the final finishing at our manufacturing divisions, where paper pattern of innovative styles are being created, from which new samples are being conceived. After the approval of new samples, final cutting knives are made from these paper patterns. Then these patterns are checked and sorted out as our ready reference. As processing, likewise, we have a specialized team of technicians devoted to leather cutting, who use 100% safe, user-friendly clicking machines and cutting knives to devise small leather goods and bags. This involves splitting machines that split leather components into desired thickness for manufacturing leather goods. The roto press, specially used for leather components like red leather, that is passed through the press for ironing out and smoothing surfaces, thus giving extra shine to them. Then the edges are passed through another set of skiving machines to trim, so they could be folded and stitched neatly. While cutting in customized sizes are being carried out at a flawless precision at one end, small finishing touches are being planned at the other end. This involves the cutting of linings that is used in the inside of bags and small leather goods. Zip fasteners that are made as per orders. Threads of all colors and textures which are waiting to be matched with the color of the leather goods, and embossing of specific parts with the logos, which is done through hydraulic embossing machines, all in perfect harmony with each other. From here, we step into the final phase, where bags and small leather goods are sent for production. Applying of adhesive, assembling of components, stitching, edge inking or coloring the edges of small articles like wallets before they are sent for a final finish and styling. Next, the goods received from the production department are sent for a complete quality assessment, where a minute and detailed checking is conducted. Before they are packed for shipment. Ready to accessorize showroom shelves or the display windows.